If you have a 2020 to 2022 Ford Super Duty and you have the OEM fogs like you see here, Morimoto came out with an all-new bracket kit to house some off-road pod lights in it that I really want to show you guys. Morimoto created this UV-resistant ABS plastic bezel that goes around a one-banger and a two-banger. Now these are some of the world's brightest off-road pod lights. In other videos we really go in depth on those. Just know that they're extremely bright. It's one hell of a pod light to put on the front end of your Super Duty. The one banger is still super bright and it's at a 15-degree angle outwards and you see really good into the ditches. And of course, when you want that really bright punch of light for your fog light area, the two banger then successfully achieves that. Now, there is a lot of options when speccing this out for your vehicle. You can choose the way that you have these powered. You can power these individually from your relay harnesses that you could purchase and then connect them to your upfitter switches. Or you can just simply connect them with the included adapter to your OE light right here. The Morimoto engineers spent hundreds of hours developing this for the bracket and the bangers alone. Installing this is 100% plug and play. There is no modifications required. You don't have to cut and splice wiring. It's super easy. If your truck is lifted like this one, you're probably gonna have to aim them because if you just mount these in your vehicle, you might be blinding oncoming drivers. It's a bad deal. So thankfully they're adjustable. All you gotta really do is remove this front bezel here, just like that. And then you're gonna take a torque spit screwdriver and you're gonna go to the side of these and then you can adjust these up and down. Now, how would you spec your fog lights? This is my favorite setup. In white with wide beam patterns. The two banger and the one banger both have the same lens, which is the wide beam lens. I think it looks the best for a fog light. Now, you can do a white or a yellow with all of the same beam patterns. For the two banger, you can choose a spot beam pattern. I wouldn't recommend that for the fog lights. I think it would be kind of dumb, but you could choose a spot beam pattern, a wide beam pattern, a flood beam pattern. Also don't do that. You're probably gonna blind oncoming drivers, and a combo beam pattern. For the one banger, you have all the same options. You got the wide, the spot, the combo, and the flood. Maybe a flood would work here, but I still don't want to blind oncoming drivers. And because the width of the flood beam is still super wide, you're probably still going to have the light illuminating in front of the vehicle and then blinding oncoming drivers. In my opinion, and that's just it, I would recommend the wide beams for all of these. So really it comes down to, do you want the yellow version or the white version? White just looks a little bit better in my opinion. It matches the headlights. I think it looks really good. The yellow option really does cut through snow and rain a little bit better. A lot of people say that they can see a lot better in inclement weather when they have the yellow fog lights. Really, that's up to you. For the two banger, there is other power levels. There's the NCS, which is the entry level. It's not quite as bright. You don't need a super bright fog light, but again, it's up to you. There's the NCS, and then there's the HXB. It's a little more expensive, but this is the brightest option for the Morimoto two banger. Morimoto only made the one banger, the one pod light on the outside, in HXB. So out of the gate, that's the brightest and most powerful. Let's dive into the kit really quick. Here's your front bezels. One thing I didn't tell you guys is that it's actually air cooled. That's what took them so long. They wanted to make sure that there was enough airflow for your one banger and your two banger that you're not gonna lose any lumens when you're driving around. It actually really helps with the longevity of an off-road pod light to have airflow through it. So that's what they did. This has an air cooled, once you install it, you're gonna see it. It's a pretty intelligent design. It also comes with two of the metal brackets that you then mount your two banger or your one banger in whatever beam pattern and color that you have chosen. So you get those mounted and it's got all of the stainless steel hardware that you also need to make that happen. And then it's got this connection, which is a 1 to 3 connector. Now you only need to use this harness if you're going to just have this connected and get the power off of your OEM LED lights. If you wanted to power these individually, let's say you wanted to hit number 1 in your upfitter switches and then have just the outside one banger light up, it's possible, but you do have to order the 2 relay harnesses here. This is 1, so you'll have to have 2 sets of these mounted inside of your vehicle. You're going to have the relay that you mount upright. You're going to have 2 Deutsch connectors here for light 1 and light 2. That's going to be the driver's side and the passenger side of your vehicle. Then you're gonna also have a switch. Now, obviously I just said you can connect this to your upfitter switches, which is very possible. You can remove this switch and then connect the bare wire that also comes in on this kit. So if you wanted to remove that switch, not use the Morimoto switch, and instead use this to connect to those Upfitter switches, you sure can do that. If you wanted to use the Morimoto switch, sure, go right ahead. You can use 2 switches in your dash. You can use one for the 1-banger, one for the 2-banger. If this was me, I'd probably just stick to this because it's totally plug and play, it's super easy, there's no zip tying or running wiring into the engine bay. If you can't tell by now, Morimoto has an addiction to Super Duties. They can't leave the front end alone. They've done the front grills, they've done the headlights, now this where you can put the bangers in there. They've done ditch light brackets and so much more. Go to Headlight Revolution. We like to test things for the Super Duty all the time. It's one of the most popular trucks on our channel. Type in that year, make, and model so you can see everything we've tested that's truly beneficial for your vehicle.